ẹ̀yin tèmi eléyìí tí wọ́n ti gbẹnu tán báyìí o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìjọ CAC arákùnrin yìí tún pẹ̀rẹ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ o ó ní ìdí tí òun ṣe fẹ́ lọ sí chọ́ọ̀chì mọ́ ní oríṣiríṣi nǹkan tí àwọn alàgbà oríṣiríṣi ń fi ojú àwọn tí wọ́n wà lẹ́yìn wọn rí ó ní míì gan ó máa lérí ògùn sí àwọn tó ń tẹ̀lé wọn ó ní àwọn ará ìjọ CAC ó ní pẹ̀lú àwọn other denominations pàápàá gan ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé èmi ò lè sọ eléyìí tán ẹ jẹ́ kí arákùnrin tún pẹ̀rẹ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú altar wọn ní eléyìí lágbára gan. This CROSSBLOGXTV, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ gbọ́ lẹ́nu arákùnrin.
No, I'm not going to church again. Olóògùn pọ́nbélé ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn CAC pastors. Wọ́n kàn fi iṣẹ́ Olúwa bojú ni. It is now that I understand the reason why some people had decided not to go to church again. With due respect to the general body of the CAC denomination, with due respect to a church established under truth and the guidance of the Holy Spirit, through our Father in the Lord, the late Apostle Ayo Babalola. I'm very sure that this was not what late Ayo Babalola founded and handed over to the generations to come. I know that this does not stop in the CAC church as a denomination. This is something that happens in most religious organizations and sometimes in secular organizations as well. But the reason why I want to talk about this is because of the personal experiences that I had while I was under some CAC pastors. It happens in other denominations too. But some of these so-called CAC pastors, most especially some of them that refers to themselves as prophets, they are evil, they are callous, they are extremely wicked. They want to act as God upon the life of their congregation, most especially the ministers under them. And if you are not close to the altar, you will not know some of these secrets. It is only if you are a man of the Spirit, if you are not filled with the Spirit, you will not understand the secrets behind the wicked activities of some of these pastors or prophets. And the reason why I have the boldness to come out and talk about it is because I was led by the Holy Spirit of the Lord to talk about it. If truly I was led by the Holy Spirit, there is nothing any one of you can do, because I know by coming out to talk about it, many people that are under the cage of these slave traders called pastors and prophets will be liberated. What these people intend to do, what they do in most cases, is that they cage people's destiny under their ministry. If you are serving under a ministry, most especially CAC ministries, and you have the leading of the Spirit of the Lord that you should go ahead and either make use of your gift or start a ministry, they will tell you it is not time. I had a personal experience where a prophet of a CAC church told me that he said it point blank. Maybe I think it was God that made him to say that thing. Maybe I wouldn't have prepared myself for my leaving that ministry. He said, he said it, and I even served under one who says, and they have evidence for what they are saying, and they have joy in it. Some of them, if you leave their ministry, if not that you are also bathed in the Spirit of the Lord, if you are not, equipped, if you are not close to God, if you don't understand God, if you are not in partnership with God, they will not want you to succeed, either in making use of your gift or either in starting a ministry as a minister, starting a church of your own. And one of the reasons is that many of them forced themselves into the ministry. Many of them are not gifted. It is now that I understand the reason why some people had decided not to go to church again.